Hello friends. In our last class we were talking about inner join. Now let us talk about left outer join. Outer join is join when you want to display rows even when there is no matching rows either side of join. If you recall the Venn diagram of outer join, if I am doing left outer join, all the rows of left hand side will definitely appear in the output irrespective of whether it's matching with rows on the right side or not. Okay, so now we are going to discuss left outer join. So let me consider we want to know the what is in the table of manufacturing. Select star from menu. All of us know that if we want to see all the table, how we will select? Select the star from table name. It will give all the information about table. See, there are three values and fourth one is a null value and manufacturer name is Navneet, Wipro, Furlenco and manufacturing city is Ahmedabad, Hyderabad and Mumbai. So it is the it's the output of manufacturing. It's the total values in manufacturing table. So if we want to know distinct manufacturing ID from product dimension table. Then what they will be? Select distinct manufacturing ID from table name. If we want to select that table name, so you will see that distinct manufacturer for your reference will be there. If I am going to run this, it is show null and distinct value, two value. So this is there is three manufacturer, 1, 2 and 3. So which manufacturer does not have any product to show? 2. So this is manufacturer number 1 and 3 because they are not appearing here. There are three manufacturer 1, 2 and 3, but manufacturer number 1 and 3 are not sold selling any product in product dimension table. So there is null and 2 value because null was also appearing there. So if you want to join the manufacturer table and product dimension table, what will happen? Let us try using an inner join. If we want to if we want to extract the information from both the tables, so what we will do, we are going to do? We are going to use inner join. We are joining two tables, manufacturing table and product dimension table on manufacturing ID and production ID. So, sorry, here should be manufacturing ID. Here also we can do it small. So, all of we know the syntax of inner join. If we are joining two tables here, from inner join, left hand side will be the one table and right hand side will be the another table. After that, we will describe the with the on keyword the link field we want to join. So we are joining here on manufacturing ID. So these are the manufacturing products, product 14, 17, 18, which are there. Which are there. So you can see the manufacturer name and production ID on the which are common on manufacturing ID. So these are the in my inner join. I will execute this query because what it does, I am displaying the manufacturer name and I am displaying the production ID of the product by doing inner join between product dimension and manufacturers. All of you till now are very much familiar with inner join. How to write it, the syntax of the inner join. So one thing to note that in this particular output, you are not seeing anywhere Forlenko and you are not seeing anywhere Navneet. If I am going to see this, why you are not seeing anywhere Forlenko? Because there is no Forlenko and no Navneet. Why? You may say that particular manufacturer doesn't supply any product here. So what is the point of displaying? So what is the point of displaying when there is no matching information? It is also doesn't give me any picture from an analysis perspective as who is the manufacturer and who is not supplying any product. So that information it is not missing. Is that for Lenko or any other who is not delivering any kind of product. So if I want all the information from whoever the manufacturer name and we really want the information either he is producing anything or not, then what we need to do, we need to do left join on manufacturing ID. If we do left join on manufacturing ID, hopefully it is, if it is correct, then it will show all the information from left hand side and matching information from right hand table. So if I am going to run this one, first thing I want to tell you that all the command, all the rules for inner join and left join will be similar. You can see here all the things will be similar, but if you want to show all the information from left table, you have to put the replace inner join with left join. So all keywords, all things, see Navneet, all keywords, all things are will behave in a similar manner, will have similar properties, either of the join we are using. Navneet and Falenko are not delivering any product, either they are manufacturer, but here they are not delivering any product. So in our first one query using inner join, it was not showing anything here, but here it is showing because we want to see 10 Navneet, Falenko, 10 other manufacturers who are present there, either they are delivering or not. What it is going to show, we want to show the all the information. So it is not misleading information here, it not misleading because under the product ID it is saying with a null value, which is explicit indication of this is a manufacturer who is there but is not delivering any product. So this is a fantastic report which is going to show me full picture, which means so if there is 10 other manufacturer who is not delivering any product, that will be nicely show up in their particular report. Their names will appear but with a null value against the product ID because there is no matching product in product dimension table from this manufacturer. So you can see that syntax for outer join and inner join is very much similar. It is all similar. All you need to replace inner join with left join or by right join. So as the case you really want to use, you should replace it. So I completed left join till here. Please go and do more and more practice. In my inner join, I have used 3-4 example. You can use here also those examples. So take 2, 3 or 4 tables and practice for left join. Okay. Oh, I am saying again and again, all On keyword, select keyword, from keyword, where, group by, order by. Everything will behave in a similar manner. So you have done very much on that keywords or filters or attributes. So please go for practice. This is all about left join from my side in MySQL. Thank you.